Climb inside the 2013 Infiniti QX56. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Infiniti prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, a power seat, and seat memory. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.